We didn't fuel up. As you can see, we don't have the best bike.
To be honest, I'm just like, I don't want to drive anymore. I'm gonna run him over. And another flat. Well, that is the first time I've ever been attacked by a drone. Good morning.
We are Silky and Kieran and we're on our 10-year honeymoon trip around the world.
Yep, and today we have woken up in the most secret place in the world.
More info here.
Yep. And we are heading towards Phonsavan and the plain of jars. But first, we gotta go to the market. That's
Hungry bellies.
Morning routine and yeah.
It's a nice market, feels very fresh. Like usually markets are kind of inside and you smell the meat and stuff, but here it just feels nice. So what we usually have in the morning is maybe sticky rice with vegetables or fried banana, which is maybe not so healthy but it's super tasty, or some fruit. So we're going to check what we're going to have here now.
A lot of fruit options.
Yeah.
That's a lot of these kind of shops there. So Baidi, you know Cao Niao? Cao Niao? Cao Niao? Ah, here. Ah, cặp trai. Ah, nice. They've got some veggie stuff, but
Got some Cao Niaos.
And breakfast is served.
90 pence for sticky rice and some pickled veggies, which we're not the biggest fan of. But
Sometimes we buy them by accident. Like there's two types. Yesterday we had the banana leaf one.
Super spicy.
Super spicy. And then there's this one. There is another one actually, which is like bok choy or morning glory.
But you don't find those ones often.
Yeah, it's often this pickled one. It's still delicious, but yeah. When you think about eating with your hands, the first country that comes to mind is India. And when you travel through Thailand, Laos, you wouldn't think about it, but actually, traditionally, people eat with their hands. And I think it's, I don't do it right now because on the bike a lot, on the throttle, I just feel like my hands get really filthy. But Silga always eats with her hands.
I love it. It's so nice.
Well, it is a beautiful way to eat. They say that it's, in India they taught us that it's a connection with the food. The journey of the food starts here, or at least the digestion process of feeling how the food feels in your hand, how warm it is, how cold it is, the
It's
texture.
an extra sense. I would recommend. If you're at home watching, tonight, eat with your hands.
Make yourself some, sticky rice. Maybe it's
Ah,
gonna
just
turn
some
out
rice
American.
with a curry, like India.
Like India. Now India is a whole other level of eating with your hands. India, they have curry, they have it, and they make it all.
They do like,
Yeah.
We were planning to go to Banhacho, but we've met someone kind of online
Makes it sound like Tinder.
who gave us a really nice opportunity. He is from Scotland and
Newcastle, technically,
Newcastle.
but he claims himself as Scottish because he lived there for a long time. I think that's some of the beautiful things about travel, you know, when you just get lost, or when you take someone else's recommendations, or someone says, oh, let's meet and we'll go here together, and I think you can end up in some really incredible places, some real local recommendations, or in places that you hadn't planned to visit yourself. And Silga and I have done that always.
we're yes people. We say yes to everything. Do you want to do this? Yes. Do you want this? Yes.
The lesson is say yes to life. If someone says, do you want to do this? Don't be afraid to say no as well if you're really not up for it, but go on adventures, say yes. It's a beautiful thing.
Beautiful.
And it's a beautiful day.
Woo! Okay, so confirmed, the roads from Long Tieng towards Phonsavan are not the best, at least not until now. They're super bumpy, I'm sliding all the way forward.
There is no such thing as a good road to Long
I'm
Tieng.
falling off the bike.
I'm not falling off the bike, you're just falling into me.
Oh my god,
But
I'm
we
sliding to the left.
did realise we made one little mistake.
We didn't fuel up again, and as you can have seen maybe in our latest vlogs, often we just run out of fuel in the middle of nowhere. which is a bit of a disaster.
It's okay here, but if we're going uphill, some of these roads are crazy bad quality.
One time we were both pushing the bike. And, wow.
When was that? That was 2 vlogs ago.
Yeah.
2 vlogs ago. But I guess I'm hoping there should be fuel stations somewhere.
I cannot believe we forgot.
I know, yeah. It's just so ready with the market, and then Simon messaged, and I was like, okay, like excited to go, and now we're on the road. But we should have enough. It's only 86 kilometers today.
As you can see, we don't have the best bike. It just cannot handle these hills, so. Most of the times we go uphill in first gear as the bike doesn't want to take the second one.
Or it goes into second gear, but I've just got no power and I have no idea why.
How amazing is this? Fresh water from the waterfall. This is so beautiful, it's a little sick. Kieran saw it. I was like, what? Really nice.
Ah, red water. Ready.
Okay, we have to be grateful. They go down way slower than us.
And I can't imagine how up it is.
My God! Tell us in the comments, guys. We would love to know, would you drive these roads?
Yeah.
Or would you give it a miss? The cows all wear those beautiful necklaces, colorful necklaces with a little bell.
Mala beads.
Mala beads, and children sitting in a tire. Really beautiful little village. Yeah.
My God, it just, like, we've been going down for what, half an hour?
Yeah.
Longer?
Yeah.
Like nothing but going down, and that's the most tiring thing. Just boom, 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 all the way down. I must admit, this is maybe one of the first days that I just like can't wait till this road is over. If we get back on normal roads, then I'd be happy. But to be honest, I'm just like, I don't want to drive anymore.
Yeah.
I want to stop.
But we can't.
We can't now.
Because there's nothing around. We are not passing any villages. We need gasoline very urgently. Because I think we haven't put gas in like less than 2-3 days.
I'm gonna run him over. He does not shut up.
What? Stopped in this village to have a look at our map. And all the dogs literally are like, I don't think they've ever seen a Falang.
There's no fuel in the village, but we did see on the map that there's fuel in the next village, and I did check the tank. That's why I needed the dogs to shut up, was because I couldn't hear fuel in the tank. But it says that we've got a bit left, so I think enough to get us in. And another flat. I knew it was happening. That road is too crazy, and so many times we were hitting things that I just couldn't avoid. I was trying to go as slow as possible, but yeah, we need to get to another mechanic ASAP, because that is, yeah, we're not going to get too far like that.
We actually got our back one fixed, how long ago? 1 week ago?
Yeah.
Maybe around 1 week, 1 week and a half ago. Now it's the front one.
I don't know how long we've been driving with it, but I think it's near.
that's how we feel. We'll help a bit here.
Thanks so much.
Super friendly guy helping us. At least there's a bit more air in it for now. And there should be a village just around the corner, which we are so lucky with because we haven't had any villages in the last, I think, 3 hours. The first village I see on the map is 4.7 kilometers away. And it's really bad to drive like this, but the distances between places are just too big that we couldn't just walk all the way.
I'm really worried about damaging the wheel. The lady.
Trip number 8 to the mechanic. Wow. And the tire is fixed.
Phonsavan, here we come. Oh, and fuel. Fuel.
Oh my god, I forgot about that.
Attacked by drone.
Did you what? Oh my god. Kieran was just going to film us like dancing coming towards us and he just flew straight into himself.
Sugar.
Why is that?
I don't know. Ow, you little shit. I didn't think it'd be going so fast.
I flew it in a tree once. Kieran flew it into a tree once, but never thought he would fly it into himself. Wow.
Well, that is the first time I've ever been attacked by a drone, and hopefully the last time. It was something that I watched videos on and did see that you have to learn the stopping distance of your drone because people have flown into walls and flown into cars and stuff, but that's the first time I've heard of someone flying into themselves. Anyway, we are almost in Phonsavan and we will meet Simon for the first time, settle down, maybe get some food and chill out. Oh, I need it after this drive.
Oh,
Sergio was saying her stomach is really like tense because of her abs. Cow crossing the road. My God, why if it's not holes in the road, it's cows.
Yeah?
It's cutting out though. Shouldn't cut out. It's perfect timing as Sergio just notices a mechanic right there.
Mechanic number 9. This time it's the oil. Ah, yeah.
Ah, nice.
Nice.
We arrived in Phonsavan and we were waiting on Simon, but he's just shown up.
Woo!
Nice
Hello,
to meet
mate.
you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
You're tiptoes. You're too tall. I'm good. I'm good. I've just finished work actually, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Ah, guys, we have arrived at Simon's place, and so Simon, a little bit of background. He works with MAG, who are, we want to tell you more about it tomorrow, but they are clearing all of the explosives from Laos and several places across the world, but we will go into it more
Yeah,
tomorrow.
he has told us some crazy stories and it's just amazing to hear.
It is incredible. He's got like some, like some relics, artifacts and stuff in here, but
Wow.
also I want to say, when we arrived, he made us a Tetley tea. Tetley tea from the UK.
We haven't had that in 14 months.
Yep, and it felt so good. We put on some Sky, like some BBC News. Not that we're interested in the news really, but just because it felt like home. So we're gonna get a shower, and actually Simon's arranged for us to go out for Indian food.
I mean, we have been talking about India so much today. This will
Yep.
be amazing.
So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, and there will be more coming soon. The next vlog is going to be a super exciting one, and yeah,
Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, all
ding
that
dong
good
that
stuff.
notification bell, and we will see you in the next one.